Hello everyone, this is Munaf and we are back with the new demo video on subscriptions for WooCommerce free plugins email notification feature. So let's start the demo video. So we are on the WordPress dashboard, and in today's demo video I will be explaining you how you can enable the email notifications for subscription plan expiry and cancelled subscription plan. So let's go to WooCommerce and click on settings, and then you have to click on emails. So as you can see that when you will scroll down, so as you can see that these are the two email notification that can be enabled, like cancelled subscription email notification and expired subscription email notification. So with these two notifications, the admin can enable these two notifications. Like suppose if the subscription plan is cancelled, so the customer will be getting the email notification for the cancelled subscription plan. And here when the subscription plan gets expired, so the email notification will be sent to the customer informing him about the plan expiry. So if the admin wants to enable the email notification for cancelled subscription, so he can click on manage, and from here he can enable the email notification functionality for cancelled subscription. So whenever the subscription gets cancelled, so the customer will be getting an email notification regarding the cancellation of the subscription plan. So here the admin can enter the recipient email address, and here he can decide the subject. Like I have decided like your subscription has been cancelled, and here the admin can decide the email heading like subscription cancelled, and here you can decide the email type like plain text, HTML or multi-part. So this is how you can enable the email notification, and make sure to click on save changes. And let's again go back to emails. And similarly, if you want to enable the email notification for expired subscription, so you can click on manage, and from here you can enable the email notification for the expired subscription. So whenever the subscription will get expired, so the customer will be getting an email notification. So here you can type the recipient email address, and here you can decide the subject. Like I have written, your subscription plan has been expired, please renew. So this subject will be sent to the in the email body, and you can decide here the email heading. Like I have written subscription expired. So this is how you can decide the email heading, subject and recipient email address and email type, and make sure to click on save changes. And let's again go back to the emails. So as you can see that these two email notifications have been enabled, and whenever the subscription has been cancelled or expired, so the customer will be getting the email notification for that. So this is how you can easily enable the email functionality for the cancelled and expired subscription plan. So these email notifications will definitely help you to send email notifications to the customers to notify or inform them about the subscription plan expiry and cancelled subscription plans. So this was all about the demo video on email notification feature for subscriptions for WooCommerce free plugin. So if you have any queries regarding the plugin functionality, so you can mention your queries in the comment section, and we will be glad to help you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.